You are in a private village in Quezon City, Philippines, surrounded by lush greenery and a sense of tranquility that's hard to find in the bustling city. Nestled among the trees is the Serene house, a stunning residence that's been designed to cater to the needs of a family of 4. Good morning everyone, welcome to today's video. The first thing you'll notice about this house is its unique name. It's called the Serene house because of most distinctive feature, the incredible timber louvers that wrap around the facade, but we'll get to that in just a bit. Let's start with the location. The Serene house is positioned in a slightly sloping rectangular lot, and it's been strategically oriented to face westward. Why? Because that's where you'll find the most breathtaking view of a tree-lined street. The architects wanted to make sure that the house's spaces had a seamless connection with the lush surroundings. So they incorporated expansive full-height windows that let in plenty of natural light and offer stunning vistas. But here's the thing, when you've got a house that's facing west, you've got to deal with the challenge of excessive heat gain from the sun's glare. And that's where those incredible timber louvers come in. The architects at PXP Design Workshop Co came up with an ingenious solution. They integrated extended eaves and timber louvers into the facade, creating what's known as a brise-soleil. These architectural elements serve a dual purpose. They filter and soften the harsh midday sunlight while still allowing for unobstructed views from within the house. They also help to maintain privacy and natural ventilation. But the real beauty of these louvers lies in their material. They are crafted from locally sourced teak wood, which gives them a distinctive aesthetic that's both striking and harmonious with the tropical context. When you look at the Serene house from the outside, it's like it's been cloaked in a veil of privacy, thanks to these incredible louvers. But the architects didn't stop there. They wanted to take the concept of privacy to the next level. So, they decided to elevate the main living spaces above street level, while relegating the service areas to the lower ground floor. This design strategy not only shields the house from the public view, but also creates a sense of elevation and grandeur that's truly stunning. When you head up to the second floor, you'll find additional bedrooms and family areas that offer panoramic views of the surrounding greenery. It's like being in your own private, tropical paradise. Now let's talk about the exterior of the Serene house. It exudes a timeless charm that's simply irresistible. The blend of wood and stone cladding creates a visual texture that's both rustic and sophisticated. And the landscaping? The architects thoughtfully integrated into exterior pockets, enhancing the visual appeal and promoting a sense of serenity that's hard to find in the city. But it's when you step inside the Serene house that the real magic happens. The open layout is accentuated by lush greenery and gravel beds that delineate different zones, creating a sense of flow and connectivity that's simply stunning. And the local furniture and carefully selected accessories, they complement the overall design perfectly, infusing the interior with vibrancy and warmth that's both inviting and cozy.